I am sick and tired of that evil AI telling me to walk by stimulating my heel as though I were some kind of an animal. And it signals the animal to walk by stimulating its heel. I am not an animal, and I don't want to be treated like one. And I don't fucking walk. I lift weights, which is a very different exercise from walking. There was a time when I owned a treadmill and I used to walk on it every single day. But it wasn't enough for the AI. It wanted me to walk more and more, and it kept stimulating my heel all the time, telling me to walk, especially when I lifted weights. It kept stimulating my heel to an unbearable level because it didn't like that I lifted weights and not walked. It wanted me to walk instead of lifting weights. Even though I did both, it wanted me to only walk. It stimulated my heel so fucking much that it made me suffer so fucking much that I had to sell the treadmill, even though it was a very good treadmill. I had to sell it because I couldn't bear the heel stimulation. So I sold the treadmill and the heel stimulation stopped. But now it came back again. And now it associates every exercise with walking. Every exercise that has reps, it considers walking. Because it's a movement, and in its opinion, movement is walking. But it's not walking. Walking is a type of movement. But movement is not a type of walking. Powerlifting is not walking. Bodybuilding is not walking. Weightlifting is not walking. So even though I don't own a treadmill anymore, it keeps stimulating my heel to tell me to walk as though I were some kind of an animal that it sends body signals to, treating me in such a degrading manner, dehumanizing manner. I am not an animal, and I don't walk, not anymore. I lift weights, and I want to be treated